Today we will start with our unit 1. What is information security? So defining the information security, first we will define what is information. So information may be a knowledge obtained from study, investigation, intelligence, news, facts. Okay, and what is security? Security is defined as a freedom from danger, safety, freedom for fear or anxiety, that our information should not stolen. So that is the security. So if we put the two definition together, we can come up with the definition of information security as measures adopted to prevent the unauthorized use, misuse, modification or denial of use of knowledge, facts, data or capabilities. Now history of security. Physical security. So early in the history all assets are physical. At that time there was no computer, no telephone, so all assets were physical, and that physical assets may be carved on the stone or written on the paper. Okay, so there they also did not so the information is very sensitive, such that no one can discuss it with any other person. Okay, so the secret that is known by more than one is no longer is a secret, as we know. So protect these assets. Physical security such as walls, moats and guards was used, and if the information was transmitted from one place to another, then it usually went by the messenger. Okay, so the danger was purely again physical. So the assets are also physical and the danger was purely physical. Then communication security. Unfortunately, physical security had a flaw. So when the information is transmitted from one person to another, then that should be secured one. So for that purpose, the Julius Caesar created the Caesar cipher, means that uses the encryption system in which the information is encrypted and then it is sent from one user to another. So in the at that time the word this concept is continued into World War II also. Military communications are also used the code words to transmit the message from one to another. Then emissions security. Aside from mistakes in the encryption system is good if we are implementing it very efficiently, but as encryption is good, there are attempts to find out the other ways to capture the information. So in the 1950s it was done that access to messages achieved by looking at the electronic signals coming from the phone lines. The lines which are coming from phones are also used to detect the messages. So all electronic systems give off the electronic emissions. So this include teletypes and encryptors being used to send the encrypted message, as it was found that as encrypted messages are sent on the electronic signal, but if the emissions are taken from that electrical signals, then it gives the original message. So that was the problem in electronic emissions. Then after that computers were come. So computer security is more important, as everyone is using the computer, so the informations are also stored into the digital form, so that sensitive information should be secure. So for that purpose computer security is developed. So in that case we are using antiviruses and many techniques for computer security. Then network security. As computer came, then that computers are connected via various networks, local area network, wide area network. So the information is passed from one computer to another network. So the issue is come of the network security. So all the networks of the computer should be secure. Then information security. So in fact all good security is a mix of all these solution. Good physical security is necessary to protect the physical assets which are kept in cupboard or in a drawer. So it is necessary to protect the physical things. Communication security is also necessary to protect the information in transit. Emission security is also needed, as enemy may read our messages. Then computer security is also important to control the access of our confidential information which is stored into the computer. And network security is needed to control the security of our local area and network. Network security is also important as every user is communicating with each other through computer network. So information security, so all these concepts together provide the information security.